friend. Okay, I'm sorry. Teacher have to put this one. My. They won't have a lot of friends, right? Okay, to meet my friend. This one, like teacher mentioned at the moment, you have a lot of friends, and out of weekend, you go out with them, and you have special food. You have something to talk with them, so feel so relaxing, especially with your close friends. Okay, maybe we have some difficulty from work or from school that you have something like, oh, I cannot solve myself, but when I share with my friends, the problem will be solved. Okay, so okay, now number two. Hey, sorry, number three. What is number three? Okay, so number three, one thing that you have to do is, yeah, especially this is for the girls and for the lady, she likes so much. Can you guess what is that? Like you go to the market and you buy something that you like clothes, makeup, or yeah, anything that you love. Okay, or you go like you go and eat something that's special also. Okay, so what we call that in English? Say what? Okay, we call that go shop, go shopping. Okay, this one we call that go shopping. Yes, like teacher mentioned, especially for the lady or girls, they like to go shopping. Teacher too, when teacher feels so bored, so teacher like to go to shopping too, because eh, when we see something that new, and when we feel so stressful from something or from somewhere, I have to be relaxed. I have, oh, I need to give this for myself. I have to give the gift, special gift for myself. If nobody to give me gift, but especially me, I have to buy something for me, for my own self. So that one we call that go shopping. Or you can go to buy something for your family, for your mom, for your dad, for your best friend, or for your beloved one. So yes, this one we call that go shopping. Okay, number four, everyone. Okay, teacher have 7 points. Okay, go to that one. Let teacher say something and let you guess. Yeah, this is the kind of the hobby, and you go and in the bedroom. Yeah, the big comfort rooms, and have you look at the film. You look at the film and you watch the film, not look, I'm sorry. You watch the film. Okay, so we call it, and not only you, but is a lot of people there. Okay, so what we call that in English? We call it go to, I'm sorry, this is to the what, everyone, do you know that? Okay, the movie. Okay, with teacher, go to the movie. Yeah, this is the kind that, especially for the youth, yeah, for the age like 17, 18, 19, 20, they like to go that place, to go to the movie. Okay, okay, number five, everyone. Okay, what is the kind of the hobby as number five that English say? Okay, this is the kind of the people that would like to go outside, would like to go to horseback riding, would like to meet friends, do not like to go shopping, do not go to the movie. So what kind of the place, everyone?